Who is that?
Chai!
What is going on here?
I don't know. What is that now? Who is that?
For the second time, this guy is a very anyhow person.
Maybe the noise was from the neighbor.
Maybe, exactly.
Somebody say Atasa!
Atasa!
Somebody say Atasa!
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 Jesus! 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 If you are a terrorist, the government will call you for peacemaking. Jesus!